Hey there, friends! I've got something absolutely incredible to share with you today, and it's something you won't want to miss out on. Our good friend, James Neville-Taylor, has come up with an amazing opportunity that could change your life, and it's called the Rapid Profit Machine, or RPM for short. Now, let me tell you a bit about James. He's built a seven-figure business after surviving some really tough times, and now he's on a mission to help others do the same. James has designed the RPM to help you generate a substantial income online, and the best part? He's offering this system for free for a limited time. Yes, you heard that right, free. The RPM system has already helped hundreds of students earn multiple six-figure incomes. It's packed with over $4,715 worth of pure money-making bonuses, and it's yours at no cost if you act fast. And it's not just James who believes in this system. Top entrepreneurs like Eric Salgado, Omar Martin, and Dave Sharp all vouch for him. They've seen firsthand how effective the RPM system is. You might be thinking, will this work for me? The answer is yes. Whether you're a complete newbie, tired of failing online, or just getting started, the RPM system is designed to work for everyone. James has eliminated all the guesswork and trial and error that most of us have struggled with. Imagine filling your bank account with real money and finally achieving the financial freedom you've been dreaming of. This isn't another get-rich-quick scheme. It's a proven system that sends free traffic to your machine, which has already generated over $2.7 million online. But here's the catch. This offer is only available for a limited time. So you need to act now. Click the link in the description to unlock your free Rapid Profit Machine and claim your bonuses. Don't wait. Click the link in the description right now and get started with the RPM system. James and his team are ready to help you succeed. This could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to hear about your success with the Rapid Profit Machine. See you soon!